Even not only for that, in our state, food is totally free. That means rice, wheat, whatever the common people are using for their livelihood, for their bread and butter, totally free. Health, all the hospitals, they supply free medicines. Even we have created human milk bank. Sometimes you will see, it is very unfortunate, the baby born and mother die because of their pregnancy. Then where the baby will get the milk? Then we started human milk bank. Some mothers are interested to donate their blood, donate their milk. We keep it, we preserve it. And when the newborn baby, unfortunate baby, lost his mother, the time of born, then we supply them the human milk. Like this, we have so many programs. It may be farmers, we give full insurance free. The farmers, we give money from our government. For students, of course, women, they have the program, scholarship, boys also. Even in economic weaker section also. Even minorities also. Even tribal also. Even other communities also. And for aged people, we have the pension. And Kanyasri you will be happy to know, in the year 1913, I went to Hague, Netherlands, because United Nations, they announced their first public award to Kanyasri project, and it was a unique program in India, and now everybody is following that model. Like that, women empowerment, we started one Lakshmi Bhandar program. Why this idea came? It's a model, I am telling you. Now all the states are following. After demonetization in our country, I have seen that women are crying because what they used to do, sometimes they keep their husband money, they preserve. If any crisis come, then they give this money to them as a token money. It will be their own money, and from there they can spend the expenditure for their students, for their children. They can spend the money for their purchasing something, or they can spend their money for other purposes, because health, it is totally free of cost. And extra we give 5 million rupees insurance card to the family, and we give the senior lady member of the family that card. So for private hospital also they can spend the money. So no need for medical treatment the money. So food free of cost, health free of cost, education free of cost. Now Lakshmi Bhandar, it is to help the financially every month to the women as a gesture. Even we give the pension, even this Lakshmi Bhandar program, I am telling you, cash support to the women, it will continue till that lady is alive. No restriction. It is universal. It is for each and everybody. We cannot say that if you have the scooter, if you have a car, if you have a house, then you will be restricted. No. Every woman or girl child or youth, after finishing the study, if they are not educated even, housewife, they get it from 25 years to lifelong, this support. Farmers also get pension. Also they get 10,000 rupees every year freely. The insurance is totally free. Now you tell me what they want more. Housing we give free of cost. Banglar Bari. This time also we have already set up more than 47 lakhs houses, and this year also we are giving more than 30 lakhs Banglar Bari, means Bengal houses to the poor people. We give free of land, free of cost the land. It calls patta. So everything, I have 97 social security schemes. If a newborn baby born, we give one good tree plant. Because this plant is very highly potential plant. When the baby will be 18 years of old, then this plant price will be more than 10 millions. So if anybody born, there also started our scheme, and if anybody die also. I have seen in my own eyes that some people died, but there was no paisa, means no rupees, or what you say, your pound or your dollar, to spend their last rites, to finish their last rite program. Then we started one program called Somobathi. Bengali word Somobathi means we feel sad for them, and that's why there also we give the money, so that somebody can go to mosque, somebody can go to the Samadhi. What we say that Christian community, they have their own program, Muslim community, they have their own program, Hindu community, they go to burning ghat. Like this, they get the money for last cremation also, last rites also. So everything is there. I don't think anything is left out. And if you ask me, the industrial investment, job destination, Calcutta is the main gateway for the job destination nowadays. Within these few years, the unemployment ratio is being declined about 46%. And what we say that underprivileged class, earlier it was huge, but now it is declined 1 billion, 1 billion and 75 million. 1 কোটি 75 লক্ষ Indian currency if I say 1 crore 75 lakhs people are now not underprivileged. They have now the privileged class. Don't you think this is the criteria of a society? We have to take care for the young generation, for farmers, for industry. Bengal, so many industries coming. Every year, every alternative year, we do the business summit. Till now, more than 23 lakhs, means 23 lakhs million investment proposal is already there. Out of that, already. Yes. You know, not for this type. Earlier, up to last year, it was 19 crores, 19 lakhs crore, 19 lakhs crore, the investment proposal. Out of that, 14 lakh crores program is already implemented, and 5 lakh crores of project is under process. And this year, we have received 4,48,000 crore proposals.
Excuse me, madam. I am interested in a few names, not the lakhs and lakhs. You know, lakhs are coming. Can you name one or two? Okay, please don't interrupt. Please don't.
There are so many.
It's not a press conference.
It's not a press conference. It's not a press conference.
There's a time and place for everything.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Questions, please reserve it for the press conference.
If you ask your UKBC,
Please hold your gun.
if you ask your UKBC, even from your state, country, how they have invested, it may be IBM, it may be Tata, it may be Infotech, it may be Wipro, it may be Deutsche Pachmi, it may be Economic Corridors.
Madam, Tata run away from your state. Why you taking name of Tata?
Please convey.
Run away from your state.
Please convey.
That is wrong. Tata Cognizant, please realize, they have already started Tata Cognizant.
But don't lie, bitch.
I am not lying, please. My brother, please listen.
It's not the forum for your...
Please listen carefully. I'll be very happy to ask me the question. I don't mind. Please see the Cognizant, the Tata, they have set up their industry in Kharagpur. They have set up their IT industry in Rajaghat area also. Everybody, everyone's. If you ask me, nobody is left out. Only we left out only one sector. That is, we want a direct flight from Kolkata to London. That also British Air. Thank you so much. Because of you, thank you so much. You are welcoming me. Thank you so much. I'll give a sweet to you. Good sweet to you. I'm so happy that you welcome me. Thank you so much. I can't hear. Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly, please. I don't mind. Please raise your voice. It is a democracy. Please raise your voice. I listen. I will listen carefully. You know the case is sub judice and also it is central government has taken over. It is not with us. Please don't do politics here. It is not a political state that you can do it with me in my state. Not here. And you know better than me the crowdfunding and all.
Because when we come and ask you questions in Kolkata, your ministers say we will break your finger.
Yeah, you're going to break your fingers.
Ministers do it.
I don't. This is absolutely you are lying. Brother, you don't do it, brother. Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. I have a special affection for you. We love all of you. But don't try to make it into a political platform. If you want to make it a political platform, go to Bengal and tell your party to be more strong and more steady to fight against the communal people. Don't fight with me. Just show me one photo. Yes, I will give you reply. Wait a minute. This is you. This is you want to kill me. I was about to die. This is your atrocities. Just see. Just have a look. Have a look. How you. This is not a drama platform. This is a platform where you have to allow the people to listen. Don't behave like this. Don't behave like this. It is a misbehaving. Instead of insulting me, you are insulting your own institution. Don't disrespect your institution. You can disrespect me, but you cannot disrespect your institution. I am humble. You cannot disrespect. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Okay, you have your say. You have your say. Now let her speak. You have your say. Please have the decency. You have your say. Now don't shout.
Everywhere, this is their habit. They cannot change their habit.
Enough. You have your say.
This is their habit everywhere. Wherever I go, I am for all. I am for all. I am for Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. I am for all. I am for all. I am for unity. You people are not. Don't mention only one caste. Mention all the castes together. be repeated when your leaders will visit. Please remember this. It is not proper. You are my brother and sister. Don't do politics here. It is very easy to do the politics here, to do the narrative work here, to see the negative work here. But please, my ultra-left friends and the left friends and some communal forces, don't behave like this. It don't be proper. But I love that your agenda you have fulfilled. I love that. My best wishes to all of you. Please have a good sleep. Please have a good sleep. Beautiful sleep with your good agenda.
Enough, now please. Enough.
I am happy that all the industrial friends, the captain of the industries are present here, and also I met all the academicians of this university. I am so honored, I am so privileged when they discussed with me so many subjects